Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make LinkedIn profile better. So I will be showing you a few steps here on how to make your LinkedIn better or LinkedIn profile better. Number one or step one, you need to use a high quality profile photo. Face clearly visible, smiling or neutral, professional background. Use AI tools like PFE Maker for enhancement. You can use Canva. I will be using Canva this time. For ideal dimension, you can just see it in Canva. Profiles with a photo get step two, add a clean and relevant banner image. Customize your field, personal branding, or company background. Use Canva templates for LinkedIn banners. Avoid clutter, highlight message visually. Step three, create a compelling headline. Don't just put your job title, add value proposition or niche. For example, not just software engineer, but software engineer building AI tools that scale startups, Python, NLP. Include keywords to help recruiters find you, and maximum characters is 220. Step four, write a strong about section. Speak in first person as much as possible. Share your mission, achievements, and passion. Use this formula: who you are, what you do, how you do, what makes you different, what you're looking for, optional. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to rewrite it more clearly and powerfully. Step 5, optimize your experience section. Use results based bullets. Reduce customer churn by 27% in 6 months using CRM strategy. Next is add relevant skills. List your top 10 to 15 skills. Keep them updated. And then step 7, collect and give recommendations as much as possible. Ask previous clients or managers for a short, personalized recommendation. Then after that, that's it. These are just a few ways and methods and how to make LinkedIn profile better. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.